Good morning and welcome to a minor maintenance issue on my AP Lazer. We're going to swap out the control panel. I'm having issues with it. It's not working right, and AP has sent me a new one under warranty, and they sent me instructions how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, so stick around. I'll show you how we're going to swap this one out. We'll be right back. Alright, this is a bonus video. The bonus is you don't have to look at my ugly mug anymore. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my exhaust hose, and I'm going to open up my cabinet, and I'm going to unlock the power supply door, and then I'm going to reach over and I'm going to unplug my unit because I've been working inside and I don't want to mess with anything, have any problems. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, this is the box that I need to replace. Let me zoom up a little bit more, and as you can see, I'm working on my SN1812. So the first thing I've got to do is I need to snip these little wire ties right here and right here to facilitate getting the cable out. And there may be, yeah, there's one more right there that I need to get cut. Let me see if I can get on this side and see it. It's underneath. Let me see. Yep, there it is. All right, let me get the wire ties. Well. There, kind of hard to do when you can't see it, but hopefully this will be the hardest part of the whole process. All right, what I ended up having to do was go in the house and get a small mirror. That's this little blue mirror right here, and then you can see in the top where the right up here in that mirror, a little white square, that was the tie that was up in the top, and it's below the panel right here. Kind of hard to see and get to. So I got the mirror, and then I used a pocket knife to cut the strap because I couldn't get the little cutting dikes in there very easy, so it was easier to just cut the strap. So anyway, hang on, I'll show you how we're going to go with the rest of it. And put the camera back down. We'll get ourselves refocused. Now, all the cables are loose, so now the next thing we have to do is there are two screws, one here and one here, and I have to loosen those screws up. So I have my screwdriver set to loosen things up, and that's really all we got to do, is just get those where we can free spin them. Okay, pardon my hand for reaching in front. All right, and then these are in a clip that you should be able to remove just like that. Get that out of the way. Let me get that clip out of there. Sorry about reaching across. There we go. And then I'll get this one out of the way, and that should allow the box to come out. Well, if I can get this to come out. Hello, come on. Anticipation. Well, I may just pull this screw all the way off and see if it'll help pull it out. Well, we gotta get that clip off. I'll just get the screw out of the way and we'll try it that way. See if that'll work. All right, there we go. All right, got it. There we go. Okay, so now we can pull the whole control panel out. I have to come around over here and unplug it from the back of the main board. And it is a compression clip, so you have to press that clip right there to pull it out. So now that's the control panel out. So we will reverse the procedure to put the new one back in. So we'll start with the wire first. Put the cord back in. And then we look at the control panel to make sure we have it in right side up, not upside down. And let me show you these slots right here are where these clips fit into. They just slip in like that and then they tighten up. So, all right, so we're gonna look again, putting it in right side up. So we got it all set right there. We'll put the screw back in this one. And we get to this clip over here. All right, got that one in. Snug that screw up. The issue I was having was I lost X-axis control using my control panel. And we did some diagnostics over the phone, and it was determined that my control panel was the issue, because using software I could still maneuver my Lazer, but that doesn't make it the easiest thing to do. So now we've got this out. Now we're ready to plug this in, and it only goes in one way. There, you heard it click. And then I will set these out of the way. The paperwork even says you don't have to tie wrap these back. I will come back here. I don't have any small tie wraps. I'm going to get some, but I'll get that squared away. So now this should have solved my problems. Let's see. Closing the board. I'm going to plug the machine back in. Well, all right, we've got it all plugged back in. The power's on, the control panel's in, and let's just give it a whirl. All right, we had Z movement before, but we didn't have Z movement up. Look here, we have X movement in all directions. Loving it, I'm loving it. All right, so as you can see, it was not a hard process to exchange out the control panel. I want to thank AP Lazer for calling me right back on tech support, and for Don's diagnosis being correct, and for getting me the control panel shipped overnight so that I can continue, because what you're looking at inside my Lazer is a jig. I have 150 key rings to get engraved, so now I can get back into production. So again, I want to thank AP Lazer for their great, fantastic tech support and getting me the part overnight. So until my next video, hug all your family and friends, let them know you love them, and God bless.